If you're looking for a way to streamline lead nurturing in your business and want a simple, powerful tool to help you do it, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Folk CRM for lead nurturing and how it can transform the way you engage with prospects. By the end, you'll understand how to use Folk CRM to save time, track conversations, and convert more leads into customers. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing how you can get an exclusive free trial of this tool so you can try it risk-free. Let's start with the basics. Folk CRM is designed to simplify customer relationship management with a focus on personalization and automation. The platform allows you to track every interaction with your leads, from emails to phone calls and everything in between. What makes Folk stand out is its flexibility. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, Folk adapts to your needs, making lead nurturing feel effortless. When it comes to nurturing leads, one of the most important things you can do is track where each lead is in their journey with you. Folk CRM offers a clean, easy-to-use interface that helps you do this with ease. You can segment your leads into categories based on where they are in the sales funnel and assign tasks to follow up. It's perfect for anyone who wants a more organized and efficient way to manage relationships. Another key feature of Folk CRM for lead nurturing is its automation capabilities. You can automate emails and follow-ups based on triggers, such as when a lead opens an email or takes an action on your website. Automation helps you stay top of mind without doing all the manual work yourself. This is especially useful for businesses that have a high volume of leads but still want to provide a personal touch. Speaking of personalization, Folk allows you to create custom fields for each lead, so you can tailor your communication based on their specific needs and interests. You can also add notes to each lead's profile, making it easy for you or your team to pick up right where the last conversation left off. This ensures that no lead falls through the cracks and that every conversation is relevant and timely. As you nurture leads, it's important to have full visibility over your interactions. Folk CRM integrates with other tools you may already be using, like Google Calendar or Zapier, so you can see everything in one place. This integration ensures that you're always up to date on the latest actions your leads are taking, making it easier to craft the right follow-up message at the right time. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Folk CRM can make lead nurturing simpler and more effective. But here's the best part. You can get started with Folk CRM for free right now. Just click the link in the description below and you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that allows you to experience all the features without any commitment. This free trial is perfect if you're new to CRM systems and want to see how it can help you with lead nurturing before you make a decision. You'll have everything you need to start turning your leads into loyal customers with no risk and no upfront costs. So if you're ready to take control of your lead nurturing, try Folk CRM today. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.